Now let's learn how to enable or disable double tap to wake up screen option. Go to your mobile settings, scroll down this page and go to advanced features option. In here, click on motions and gestures option. You can turn on this double tap to turn on screen option and double tap to turn off screen option. After, when we double tap on our home screen, our screen is going to turn off like this. Again, you can turn on your screen by double tapping like this. I think this feature is very helpful to use your phone easily.